We made it, baddies, finally. Took a fresh shower, put my hair in my overnight blouse, and I'm gonna go shopping like I planned to today. Not gonna stop me. I've never been more excited to just sit in silence alone by myself. Luckily, I did get a lot of sleep at my hotel. The Westin beds are so comfy, like top tier. Entire body hurts from like walking all day. I'm literally just gonna complain this whole video. Why am I like this? I need to go get new brow products because my hair's black now and my eyebrows obviously aren't. None of the brow products I have are dark enough. Main reason I'm going shopping is to A, fill up my time because I have nothing to do today really, thankfully. B, I need cuter shoes for my dress. I have a pair, but they were low-key like so last minute and ugly. Try to see if I can find something at like Nordstrom. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna have good luck. Forehead is still like stained so badly and I can't wash my hair. So I don't really know what to do to get that out. I don't have like rubbing alcohol, was what I usually use to get it out. And I have like a line of dye on my face. Literally looks like I have a hair stuck to my face and it's driving me insane. I've never been to Scottsdale before. So far, it reminds me a lot of Vegas. I actually used to live there, if you didn't know. This desert vibe, basically. I'm not really gonna be here for a long time, so it's not like I'm gonna get to discover the ins and outs. I'm not 21, so I don't get to go to the party scene, but that's honestly not really even my thing. Expecting my skin to look a lot more dry, especially with flying for 2 days in the dry Arizona air. So far, it might be the halo glow, but we slayin'. I'm going for like no makeup vibe because I don't feel like doing the most right now. And tomorrow's gonna be the first day I'm seeing like a full beat with my new hair and I'm so excited. I'm obsessed with the Huda Beauty Latte like bronzer. I feel like it's just the perfect sunburnt kind of shade. Bronzer shades like this are gonna be the shades of the summer. House Labs just released new shades of it and I'm like, yep, called it. I'm so excited to reveal who I'm here for tomorrow. I'm so excited to meet her too. She's the little cutiest, patootiest girl ever. Only one person has guessed it so far, so they know who they are. Don't spoil it. You can find it if you really want, but you'll see in like 12 hours. So proud of myself. I remembered to pack everything except a hairbrush. So that's another thing I need to get from Sephora. I've never stayed at a hotel by myself like this before. And I feel like such an adult right now. I mean, I am, but like, wow. Setting in that, like, I can do shit like this. I really need a Dr. Pepper pumping through my veins right now. I think that would, like, really cure me. Why do I low-key like the way just, like, the lip stain looks? Like, I need to do an editorial look with something like this. The lashes are giving today. That's one coat. Miss Charlotte Exaggerize. I love her. So excited to put my outfit on. I've been saving it for something, like, good, and today's the day. I'm gonna strut around and look cute in my little Aritzia set. The mauve shade of the Sachu lip stain is like my perfect nude pinky color. Oh my god, this set is so cute. Very like, oh my god, very aloe coated. It's from Aritzia. Only had these like little overnight rollers in for about an hour and I took the hairdryer to them, so I really hope they did something. Oh yeah, bitch, I love having black hair. I'm so glad I went dark. I feel like I matched my personality more. A bitch. Finish her off with the e.l.f. Cherry Lip Balm. These lip balms are like better than Summer Fridays. Don't at me. Yeah, that's everything. Wow. And some perfume, so even though I showered, I'm not chancing stinking. Okay, well, wish me luck on my shopping adventures. I hope I find some cute shoes. What a journey this trip has been already. Bye, baddies. Love ya.